गाइस, मैंने अपनी जर्नी स्टार्ट करी दिल्ली से और दिल्ली से रोम पहुंचने में मुझे लगभग लग गए 7 आवर्स। और अभी मेरी कनेक्टिंग फ़्लाइट थी नेपल्स के लिए, जो कि मिस हो चुकी है। एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मैं मिस इसलिए हुई क्योंकि इमिग्रेशन प्रोसेस में थोड़ा टाइम लगा। इमिग्रेशन प्रोसेस में इतना टाइम नहीं लगा जितना क्यों बहुत लंबी थी और काफ़ी दूर दूर थे गेट, सो दैट्स वाई आई जस्ट मिस माई फ़्लाइट। और अब मेरा लेओवर है लगभग काफ़ी घंटों का, दैट इज़ मुझे 2 बजे मेरी फ़्लाइट है। अभी टाइम हुआ है आई थिंक 10:30 के आसपास हुआ है और 2 बजे मेरी फ़्लाइट है। बोर्डिंग टाइम 1:25 है। सो आई जस्ट थॉट ऑफ शेयरिंग दिस वीडियो। अब तक मैं आपको नेपल्स का रूम का एयरपोर्ट दिखाती हूँ। इतना खास भी नहीं है, दिल्ली का ज़्यादा अच्छा है। मैं यहाँ बैठी हूँ
per completare le formalità di accettazione.
और यहाँ से मेरा गेट है। Hello guys, so we are at Naples and she is my friend from US. Her name is Annie. Annie. Yeah, I call her Annie because her name is very difficult to pronounce. And we are here to explore Pizza. And I don't know, because we have explored so many things over here, it was not actually good. So finally we got the pizza, and this pizza name is Monte Carlo, which is a brand in India, and the place name is Seven Solidi restaurant. Now we'll just taste the pizza and let you know that how is it. Okay, so now Annie is feeling very shy, but she's going to tell the review of this pizza. To be honest, it doesn't look delicious, neither it's hard luck. It's not good.
It's edible.
It's
Edible.
It's average, yeah. I don't know what it is. It's like a roti and sabji in India. Well guys, I want to change my reviews because pizza is really very good in taste. And it was good. You develop taste gradually. So we are right now here at Naples, and it is very busy street. It's a beautiful street. You can just see. Say hello, Annie. And we're just having a very nice time, and it's right now, what's the time? It is almost 7:41, and still you can say it's day. And that's the most interesting thing about this place, that till 10:30 and 10 it's daytime only. Okay, ciao. We are here on the street of Nepalese, and she is my friend Wei.
Hi.
She's from UK and I'm from India. And we both are exploring the beautiful city Napoli. Now we are just exploring at our own. Let's see what we'll get. And you can just check out the this is not very beautiful, but still these buildings are good. So this place is more or less city, and we are seeking for beach. So maybe this evening we'll go to the beach. Napoli beach with my friends Joji, say hi.
Hi.
And Wei, say hi. And it's beautiful beautiful beach. Okay, so place name is Marigilina, and we took our metro from Museu. It's just walking distance from our accommodation, so we just take the metro from Museu, and this is Marigilina. We stopped at Marigilina metro station, and it's just walking distance, hardly 10-15 minutes, and this is the Napoli beach. Lisa. Hello. She's my new friend. And right now we are just having an evening walk. And
via Tribunali.
yeah. And let's see what we are going to explore. So nice. I think there's bands going on. So beautiful to see. We are here at Bars Clemmer. Okay, yeah, we are at bar, but I'm not going to drink. My friend is going to have a wine, and it's a beautiful place over here. See, it's a nice place, nice ambience. We're sitting outside with a nice music. I don't know it's nice or not, but it is. So, bon appetit, no. Cheers.
Chin chin.
Chin chin. It's almost 9:45 over here, and still you can see place is so lively. So we are going to Castle, and we are taking metro from Dante. It's quite near. Dante metro station is quite near to our to our accommodation. So then there'll be a 2-3 stop. We took our metro from Dante, and we took to Vanvitelli. Okay, so from Vanvitelli you can easily go to the hill and to the castle, right? So we are just moving towards. So this is the castle. We are just heading towards the castle. To be honest, it's really beautiful here and very peaceful. You have to pay €2 and 50 cents for to see this castle. Wow, it's amazing. Serious. Wow, just see there. Wonderful. This is a kind of a shopping mall. Could you imagine? This is a shopping mall. See, it's a beautiful shopping mall. Right now all shops are being closed except few restaurants. I'll come at daytime. Right now it's 8:30, and they usually close shopping malls I think by 6:37 they close it. हम यहाँ पे आ गए हैं, मैं आज हिंदी में बोल रही हूँ क्योंकि 15 अगस्त आने वाला है, 15 अगस्त इंडिपेंडेंस डे, इसलिए आज मैं हिंदी में ब्लॉगिंग करूँगी। और आज हम इवनिंग वॉक पे निकले हैं अपनी गर्ल्स गैंग के साथ। You can just see so much big gang I have. So let's talk to them, okay? Hello, babe. Hi.
Not necessarily.
Would you like to say something to my Indian friends? Would you like to say something to my Indian friends?
baptized her Veronica because she calls me Mario.
And her name is Mario. She's Vay. She's Adelina. Say hi. And Joji, please say something. They all are very shy girls except Mario. She's the most brat girl among us.
the most not, excuse me.
Yeah. So, would you like to say something?
My name is Mary Lou, not
No,
Mary.
it's not about your introduction. Would you like to say something about Italy? How's the experience?
Italy is great.
And
Great.
Italy's great. These girls are going to make my vlog flop. I will tell you something about this. Right now we are moving towards Dante, and
We're great with details.
these girls are really nice. But when they see video, they just get nervous. I don't. So just see the street of Italy. It's so beautiful. It's Naples basically, for Italy. And today is almost weekend. Today is Friday night. We are going to do some shopping, and we are definitely going to have a pizza tonight. So just follow us. Yeah.
Italy is amazing, amazing. There's so many cool people here, so many amazing things to do. Highly recommend.
Like what all things could you tell?
There's a lot of nightlife, a lot of gelato,
Yes,
amazing
gelato.
pizza. Oh,
Yes.
we're going the wrong way. Okay, bye, ciao, bye.
Okay, so we are going to have a very famous dessert of Italy, that is gelato. All right. तो हम यहाँ पे gelato खाएंगे, and my favorite one is raspberry, which is not here. Yeah. So name of the shop is Il Gelato Manila, and it is since 1969, and it is one of the best gelato you can find over here. All right. So you can just go through the flavors, and I'm going to try the raspberry one. That's my favorite. You can see there are lemon, strawberry, melon, yogurt, and so on. So my friend is having melon flavor and mulberry, and she's looking so cute while eating this. So how's the flavor, mademoiselle?
I like the red one.
Yeah, that's
one
my
best.
favorite too.
That is good.
So
You're gonna get cookie. Look at that.
So I'll bring one more cup.
Closer, because otherwise we would go.
So guys, we are going to Rome today, and we are going to take our metro from Dante and to Gabrioli, and from there it is just railway station is just walking distance. I just suggest you मुझे हिंदी में बात करने की, मैं आपको suggest करती हूँ कि आप अपनी जो बुकिंग है वो ऑनलाइन करेंगे तो बेटर रहेगा, क्योंकि वीकेंड्स में स्पेशली बहुत ज़्यादा प्राइसेस हाई हो जाते हैं ट्रेन टिकट्स के. तो यू कैन बुक, मैं आपको लिंक भेज दूँगी. You can just check out the link that how to book exactly and from where to book. All right, so let's go. I am at the platform right now, and अभी हम जा रहे हैं मिलान, Rome, and you can see my train. This is a bullet train. फ्लाइट्स कमिंग और डिपार्चर है मेरा 9 बजे का. ओके, सो इट हैज़ रीच्ड. My coach is 8 and my seat number is 7D. So I'll just go for it. Seat, and thank God it's window side. Is it 7 or 8? Hi. So ये start होगी 9 बजे और अभी टाइम हुआ है 8:45 and my all friends are in different seats. One is tell me your name. I forgot your name. Bernice. Yeah, Bernice. And where is Way? We are going to find the Way. This is Way. She's looking pretty in her pretty peach dress. And me too. Rome was not built in a day. किसी ने सच ही कहा है. You can just see, though it's a phrase, लेकिन फिर भी इतना खूबसूरत शहर और इतना नीट एंड क्लीन और ऑफ कोर्स पीसफुल शहर है ये.
That's the otter.
Duck. Oh, what's that? Oh, le. अरे रे. Yeah,
Otter.
look at him go! Cutie pie.
Well, there's a lot of them.
It's like where? Yes,
Those are
babies are also there. No, those are ducks. अभी हम वेट कर रहे हैं बस. अभी आर एट बस स्टॉप एंड हम वेट कर रहे हैं अपनी बस के क्योंकि हम जाने वाले हैं फाउंटेन. एंड आवर बस हैज कम 4:42 एंड वी आर गोइंग टू द फाउंटेन. Indian restaurant over here and I'm so glad. Let's see what I can get from here. मुझे इतनी खुशी हो रही है इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट देख करके, पर मुझे पता है कि इंडियन टेस्ट होगा या नहीं पता नहीं. आई डोंट नो.